Well, take a look at what I picked up last night. This is well, the guy told me it's a Craftsman, a Sears Craftsman bandsaw. There used to be a label right there, but can't really tell it anymore. And this thing is old. I have no idea what the age is. Of course, I got a blade for it here. Got a metal top here, but this piece is wood. I don't know if that's been added on by somebody or if it came like that. I don't know. And it's mounted on a piece of plywood, which I'm sure I'm going to change that. It says patent pending. That's a cast iron frame. It's got a really old motor. Does it say Kenmore? Something. Can't really read it very good. There's a power switch, which is loose. But there's another one back here that they use. And it does work. I got it plugged in. I'll show you. Where's the switch? Turns on. Sounds pretty quiet. Kind of a stupid place for the switch around here in the back. I'll probably remount that around here somewhere, and for some reason they bypassed this one. I don't know. Unplugged that for now. But something I noticed, this wheel, the bearing seems good and tight like it's supposed to be, but this one, it's really wobbly. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that bearing in that hub is worn out. So I don't think it's supposed to be doing like that. These two knobs, I think, just hold that cover on, I believe. Same with these. Hold this cover on. Then you can put the blade on. Here's the guide blocks. Got a thrust bearing here for the blade to rub against when you're cutting. It's missing something here. That's been cut out for some reason. Kind of looks like this here is broke. Somebody's patched it with a piece of angle iron. I'll have to do some looking on that. What is this? Oh, that's the table tilt around. Alrighty. But anyway, here's a quick look at the way it is right now. I'll do some investigating, see if I can find out just how old this thing is, or if it is a Craftsman, or what it is. But yeah, stay tuned for more on this one. Alright, I was able to get the blade installed, and let's see if it's going to cut. Not too bad, not too bad. It is noisy. But that's just, the blade has to rub against that bushing there. But it made a pretty smooth cut though. Cool. Alright, a little update on the old bandsaw. I've done some looking around on other videos. There's a couple of them. They look exactly like this with the guard and the wheels and everything. Their motors are different, so I'm sure this is not an original motor. This is just added on, which is obvious because that's just particle board there. But anyway, the saw part, they're the ones that I've seen, they're all saying that theirs was made back in the late 1930s, which was a complete surprise to me because I did not think that this was that old. All it does, it just says patent pending there. I haven't been able to find any other numbers on it anywhere other than the name on the motor, but that's not original, so that probably wouldn't, that's not going to matter. So anyway, I am guessing this would be around the same age, the late 30s, which is a complete surprise to me that it's that old, and it still works. So I'm just going to clean up the table, probably give it a sanding. I'll give this a cleaning too. This piece is wood, this is metal. I'll probably just leave it like it is. I don't think I'll do any restoring to it because it works. But I am going to do something different about this. I don't like that at all. And with that being particle board, it flexes, which the motor isn't mounted all that solid, and I don't like the switch being back here. That needs to be over here somewhere. Of course, I got this switch. Maybe I can fix that to make that work on its own. I don't know. But anyway, there's a little update to it from some information that I found about it. So stay tuned and I'll update this more as I get done with it.